Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are having a great day. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode. We're going to be doing a food hack, and if you're interested in how to cut onions, dice onions, without crying your eyes out, stay tuned and let's do this. All right, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, do all that jazz, and leave me a comment too, because I love reading your comments and I need some ideas on your favorite kitchen gadgets that you love and work really well. So leave me a comment on your favorite food hack or your favorite kitchen gadget, and I will do that in a future video. So today's video is actually something that I purchased because I saw it on Facebook, and it's sort of like you're trying to start a lawnmower. A little weird, but it is the Quick Pull food chopper, and it's designed to make life easier for preparing food. So that is definitely something that I want to do and try out on my channel. And so I tried this out, ordered it, and it comes like this. Dropping stuff everywhere. Looks like this. And you put the food in. It's got a little blades in there. Put the food in, put the lid on, and then you pull it, and it basically is a handheld food chopper. Now, this thing is tiny. So I tried to make salsa with it, and you know, there's 6 people in our family. It took me all day to try and make salsa in this, and it actually got caught on the tomatoes. So it really, you know, it's not really made for that, in my opinion, because it's too small unless you're just cooking for one, and then that's fine. It does work. What I love this for is chopping onions. Love it, because all I do is quarter up some onion, throw it in here. When you put the lid on, it traps all of those fumes that come out that make you cry, and you pull it, it dices it perfectly every time, and then you don't cry. It's awesome. So I would purchase this thing just for that feature. Now, if you're making onion rings or you're doing slices for burgers or whatever, not gonna work. But if you're dicing onions for any reason at all, this thing is awesome. Now, quick tip, if you're dicing onions and you don't want to buy this thing, go to your frozen section, find a package of frozen diced onions. You know, I mean, let's make life really simple. But if you really like fresh onions, they're on sale, you don't want frozen stuff, whatever, you're chopping onions or shallots or whatever, this thing is awesome for that. It does dice other stuff. It does work exactly how it's supposed to. It's just so tiny that I just don't feel like, you know, it's just too tedious to try and do it a million times. But onions, awesome. Plus, it's just fun. There's something satisfying about this. I don't know what it is. All right, I'll stop now. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope this inspires you to buy frozen onions or get this food chopper, Quick Pull food chopper, and chop onions without crying, because it works. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See you, ladies.